in previous lecture we have discussed two important chain rule number 1 and chain rule number 2 and some examples. In today's lecture we are going to solve some example based on chain rule number 1 and chain rule number 2. What is the chain rule number 1? If u is a function of or z is a function of x and y, and x and y is a function of t, then dz by dt is equal to dabba z by dabba x dx by dt plus dabba z by dabba y dy by dt. So this is chain rule number 1. And what is the chain rule number 2? If z is a function of uv and u and v are a function of x and y, suppose these two are again a function of x and y, then the partial derivative of z with respect to x is dabba z by dabba x is equal to dabba z by dabba u by dabba x plus dabba z by dabba v by dabba x. Similarly, partial derivative of z with respect to y is dabba z by dabba u by dabba x y plus dabba z by dabba v and dabba v by dabba y. So these are two important chain rule, and today we are going to solve some example on these two chain rule. So first example, if w is equal to f of y minus x and z minus y, prove that dabba w by dabba x plus dabba w by dabba y plus dabba w by dabba z is equal to 0. Now w is given in terms of composite function. So we are writing here, suppose y minus x is equal to u and z minus y is equal to v. So here w is a function of f of uv and u is a function of xy, that is xy, and u and v are a function of, u is a function of xy and v is also a function of xy. So here you can observe to find this partial derivative we are going to apply chain rule number 2, because here w is a function of uv and u and v are a function of x and y. Okay, x, y and z, I think, sorry. U and v are a function of x, y and z. So what is dabba w by dabba x? Dabba w by dabba x is equal to dabba w by dabba u by dabba x plus dabba w by dabba v by dabba x. So if you solve this, you will get dabba w by dabba x is equal to dabba w by dabba u, as it is dabba w by dabba u. And what is dabba u by dabba x? So if you take a partial derivative of u with respect to x, it is equal to minus 1 plus dabba w by dabba v as it is, and dabba v by dabba x. Dabba v by dabba x is 0. This is what? 0. So if you simplify this, we will get dabba w by dabba x is equal to minus dabba w by dabba u. So this is equation number 1. Similarly, what is the partial derivative of w with respect to y? So dabba w by dabba y is equal to, w is a function of u, so take apply a chain rule. Similarly, w is also function of v, so again dabba v by dabba y. So if you simplify simplify this, dabba w by dabba y is equal to dabba w by dabba u as it is and dabba u by dabba y. So dabba u by dabba y is 1. Dabba u by dabba y is what? 1 plus dabba w by dabba v and dabba v by dabba y, it is what? -1. So if you simplify this, we get here the value of dabba w by dabba y is equal to dabba w by dabba u minus dabba w by dabba v. So this is equation number 2. Equation number 2. I am writing this equation number 1 here. Dabba w by dabba x is equal to minus dabba w by dabba u, because we require some space. So I am writing this equation number 1 here. And now last we want to take a partial derivative of w with respect to z. So what is the partial derivative of w with respect to z? Dabba w by dabba z is again dabba w by dabba u and dabba u by dabba x, z, since we are taking partial derivative with respect to z. So u is a function of w is a function of u and u and v are a function of z, x, y, z. So dabba w by dabba v and dabba v by dabba z. So if you simplify this, you will get dabba w by dabba z is equal to dabba w by dabba u and dabba u by dabba z. So what is dabba? Again u is what? Y minus x. So if you take a partial derivative of u with respect to z, it will be a 0 plus dabba w by dabba v and dabba v by dabba z, it is equal to 1. So if you simplify this, dabba w by dabba z is equal to dabba w by dabba v. So this is what? Equation number 3. So I am writing here equation number 3. Equation number 3, dabba w by dabba z is equal to dabba w by dabba v. So this is equation number 3. So if you add equation number 1, 2 and 3, what we want to show here? We want to show that dabba w by dabba x plus dabba w by dabba y plus dabba w by dabba z is equal to, what is dabba w by, if you add LHS, you will get dabba w by dabba y or dabba x plus dabba w by dabba y plus dabba w by dabba z is equal to, you can see this dabba w by dabba u plus dabba w by dabba u minus dabba w by dabba u will get cancelled. Similarly, minus dabba w by dabba v and plus dabba w by dabba v will get cancelled here and answer will be 0. So hope you understand. Next example. Example, if w is equal to f of uv, if w is equal to f of uv and u is equal to x square plus y square and v is equal to twice xy, show that x dabba w by dabba x minus y dabba w by dabba y bracket square is equal to 4 times u square minus v square dabba w by dabba u bracket square. So again, what is the first step? We want to decide, can we apply chain rule number 1 or chain rule number 2? Which rule is applicable for this example? Okay, for that you can write this, you can draw this diagram. W is a function of uv. Okay, and u and v are a function of x and y. U and v are a function of x and y. So here again we are going to apply chain rule number 2. Chain rule number 2. So I am writing this diagram here. W is a function of uv and u and v are a function of x and y. So first partial derivative of w with respect to x. How to take a partial derivative with respect to x? For that we want to take a partial derivative of w with respect to u and then u with respect to x, w with respect to v and v with respect to x. Okay. So what we want to show here? X dA by w by dA by x minus y dA by w by dA by y. So we want to determine a partial derivative of w with respect to x and with respect to y. But we cannot determine this directly because why? Because w is a function of u and v and then u and v are a function of x and y, means what? We want to apply a chain rule. So dA by w by dA by x is equal to dA by w by dA by u, dA by u by dA by x plus dA by w by dA by v and dA by v by dA by x. So if you simplify this or if you find this partial derivative, you will get dA by w by dA by x is equal to dA by w by dA by u, or derivative of this function with respect to u is what? dA by w by dA by u and dA by u by dA by x. So what is the partial derivative of this term with respect to x? It is twice x plus dA by w by dA by v and then v is equal to partial derivative of v with respect to x is what? 2y. So if you simplify this, or there is no need to simplify, it what? dA by w by dA by x. Next, yes, want to determine x dA by w by dA by x. So multiply this equation by x. Multiply and simplify, we will get x dA by w by dA by x is equal to 2 times x square dA by w by dA by u plus 2xy dA by w by dA by v. So this is equation number 1. X dA by w by dA by x. Now next we want to determine minus y dA by w by dA by y. For that first we want to determine dA by w by dA by y. But you cannot directly find dA by w by dA by y. For that you have to apply a chain rule. dA by w by dA by u and then dA by u by dA by y plus dA by w by dA by v and dA by v by dA by y. Okay. So here dA by w by dA by y is equal to dA by w by dA by u and dA by u by dA by y. So what is dA by u by dA by y? Their partial derivative of u with respect to y, it is twice y plus dA by w by dA by v and partial derivative of v with respect to y is what? Twice x. Now multiply by minus y or multiply by y, we will get dA by w by dA by y is equal to 2y square dA by w by dA by u plus 2xy dA by w by dA by v. So this is equation number 2. So if you subtract equation number 1 and 2, what we get here? Okay, if you subtract equation number 1 and 2, 1 minus 2, then it will be x dA by w by dA by u dA by x plus minus y dA by w by dA by y is equal to, so dA by w by dA by y is common here also and here also. So if you take outside, it will be 2 times x square minus y square dA by w by dA by u dA by w by dA by u, then plus twice xy dA by w by dA by v and minus 2 times xy dA by w by dA by v will get cancelled here. So x dA by w by dA by x minus y dA by w by dA by y equal to 2 times x square minus y square dA by w by dA by u. Okay. Now what we want to do here? If we squaring on both sides, if we take a square on both sides, this the left hand side will be equal to 4 times 2 square minus v square dA by w by dA by u bracket square. Now we are squaring. So if you square on both sides, it is equal to x dA by w by dA by x minus y dA by w by dA by y bracket square on this side also. It is 4 times x square minus y square bracket square gamma w by gamma u bracket square. Now all of we know that this x square minus y square can be written as x square x plus y bracket square minus x square minus y square can be written as bracket square can be written as this bracket square can be written as x square plus y square bracket square minus it is equal to 4 times x square y square. So if you simplify this side, it will be equal to x square plus y square bracket square minus 4 times x square plus y square. How? All of we know that this a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. So if we write x square minus y square bracket square, that is x raised to 4 minus 2 times x square y square plus y raised to 4. Okay, now we can write this as x raised to 4 plus 2 times x square plus y square plus 4 times y raised to 4. Since we add 2 x square y square, we don't have to subtract 2 times x square y square. Already there is minus 2 times x square y square. But what is this? It is the square of x square plus y square bracket square. Okay, what is the difference between these two terms? We add 2 times x square plus y square, 2 times x square y square, and we subtract 2 times x square y square. So it is equal to, now it's minus 2 minus 2 become 4 times x square y square. Okay, but what is x square plus y square? Okay, what is x square plus y square? It is u. So this is what? U square minus, this can be written as 2xy bracket square. So this is equal to u square minus v square. And if you put in place of x square minus y square in bracket square, if you put here u square minus v square, you will get, this is what we want to prove here. If you put this u square minus v square term here, it is 4 times u square minus v square gamma w by gamma u bracket square, and that is what we want to show here. So hope you understand. Take one more example. Let z is equal to cos of x plus 4y, where x is equal to 5t raised to 4 and y is equal to 1 by t. Find dz by dt. Find the value of dz by dt. Now again, to find the value of dz by dt, you want to decide, can we apply chain rule number 1 or chain rule number 2? Okay, so here again, if you draw the graphical representation, you can easily understand that z is a function of x and y, and x and y are a function of t. So here chain rule number 1, dz by dt is equal to gamma z by gamma x and into dx by dt plus gamma z by gamma y dy by dt. So dz by dt is equal to gamma z by gamma x. What is the partial derivative of this term with respect to x? It is minus sine of x plus 4y, and again derivative of this x plus 4y is what? X1. Then dx by dt, so it is 20 t cube 20 t cube plus gamma z by gamma y. So it is minus 4 times sine of x plus 4y into again derivative of dy by dt, which is minus 1 upon t square. So if you simplify this, what is dz by dt? Dz by dt is equal to 20 t cube sine of x plus 4y, then minus minus become plus, this minus minus become plus, 4 upon t square sine of x plus 4y. Okay, also you can take the sine of x plus 4y outside the bracket to simplify it further. What is inside the bracket? And you can take 4 also outside. What is left inside the bracket? 5 t cube plus 1 upon t square. This is what? Dz by dt, value of dz by dt. Now next take one more example. Z is equal to tan inverse y by x by y, and x is equal to u plus v, and y is equal to u minus v, so that gamma z by gamma u plus gamma z by gamma v is equal to u minus v divided by u square plus v square. Okay, now again, what is given? Z is a function of x and y, and x and y are a function of u and v. So chain rule number 2. So if you want to determine partial derivative of gamma z by gamma u, means what? You want to determine first the partial derivative of z with respect to x, and then partial derivative of x with respect to u, then partial derivative of z with respect to y, and partial derivative of y with respect to u, because x and y are a function of u and v. Similarly, if you find a gamma, you can find a value of gamma z by gamma v by gamma z by gamma x by gamma v, gamma z by gamma y, and gamma y by gamma v. So first, gamma z by gamma u is equal to gamma z by gamma x by gamma u plus gamma z by gamma y by gamma v. Okay, you have to make a formula by using this diagram, because z is a function of x and y, and then x and y are the function of u and v. In a previous example, in second last example, z is a function of u and v, and then u and v are a function of x and y. But here in this example, z is a function of xy and xy is a function of u and v. So next, gamma z by gamma u is equal to gamma z by gamma x. So what is the derivative of tan inverse? All of you know that. What is the derivative of tan inverse x? 1 upon 1 plus x square. But here its derivative is what? 1 upon 1 plus x by y bracket square, and again derivative of x by y with respect to x is 1 by y into gamma x by gamma u. Gamma x by gamma u is what? 1. Gamma x by gamma u is 1 plus gamma z by gamma y. It is 1 divided by 1 plus x by y bracket square, and again a derivative of partial derivative of x by y with respect to y, it is minus x by y square, and again gamma y by gamma v is minus 1 into minus 1. Okay, I am writing here minus 1. Now if you simplify this, gamma z by gamma u, it is equal to, what is simplification? You can write this x by y term as x square by y square, and if you take the LCM, this y square on the numerator, if you cancel upon y with this y. Oh, okay. I am writing here y square divided by x square plus y square. Then into 1 upon y. Then this 2 time minus sign because of this dabba y by dabba b. So minus minus become plus. Minus become plus again y square divided by x square plus y square multiply by x by y square. So to simplify this, dabba z by dabba u, it is equal to 1 y will get cancelled here, y divided by x square plus y square, and this y square will get cancelled here, x divided by x square plus y square. So to simplify this, it will be x plus y divided by x square plus y square. So this is what dabba z by dabba u. I am writing here dabba z by dabba u is equal to dabba z by dabba u is equal to x plus y divided by x square plus y square. So this is equation number 1. Similarly, we want to determine a partial derivative of z with respect to v. So partial derivative of z with respect to v is what? Again, you can take a help of diagram. Z is a function of xy and xy are a function of u and v. So when you take a partial derivative of z with respect to v, means what? It is equal to dabba z by dabba x and dabba x by dabba v plus dabba z by dabba y and dabba y by dabba v. So it is equal to dabba z by dabba v equal to dabba z by dabba x. So again, what is the derivative of this term with respect to x? It is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x by y bracket square, and again the derivative of this term with respect to x is 1 upon y plus dabba x by dabba v. Dabba x by dabba v, it is 1 only. So next dabba z by dabba y, it is 1 divided by 1 plus x by y bracket square. Again derivative of this term with respect to y, it is minus x by y square bracket completed, and dabba z by dabba x and dabba x by dabba v, then dabba z by dabba y by dabba v. I think we make one mistake in previous, because in previous it will be a dabba y by dabba u. Okay, so here dabba y by dabba v. So it is equal to, here maybe it is x minus y. I am not sure, because I think we make one mistake. So here it is equal to dabba z by dabba v is what? Minus 1. It is what? Minus 1. So it is equal to dabba z by dabba v is equal to simplify this, it is y square divided by x square plus y square and into 1 by y. Similarly, y square divided by x square plus y square into minus become plus. It is equal to x by y square. So this y square will get cancelled here, and it is equal to, if you simplify this, it is dabba z by dabba v is equal to 1 y will get cancelled here. So it is y divided by x square plus y square and x divided by, so it is x plus y divided by x square plus y square. So if you add these two terms, what happens here? It is equal to, so this is equation number 2. If you add 1 and 2, then dabba z by dabba x plus dabba z by dabba y is equal to, what happens here? Plus y will get cancelled here. It is twice x twice x divided by x square plus y square, x square plus y square. But what is twice x? Twice x is what? 2 times u plus v. And what is x square plus y square? So what is x square plus y square? If you simplify this, what is x square? It is u square plus twice uv plus v square. And what is y square? U square minus twice uv plus v square. So this twice uv plus twice uv minus twice uv get cancelled here. 2 times u square plus v square. So it is equal to 2 times u square plus v square. This 2 will get cancelled here, and answer is what? U minus v divided by u plus v. Okay. Again, maybe there is one mistake while finding the value of it is y minus x to 1. So